What's up, YouTubers? Coming all the way from Thailand, this is the review of the MP5 SD6. Coming with the gun is the mock suppressor. This does not actually work, but it's pretty cool. The rubber handrail, fine grip. The stock, 4-position adjustable stock. The gun itself, and 1 magazine. And these are my dual high cap mags. You also get a standard battery, 8.4 volts, but as you can see, that's not good enough, which is why I have this Firefox 11.1 volt, 1200 milliamp hours Lipolymer battery for more rate of fire. And this, because this is the 5KU high torque motor. I bought this because the original motor couldn't handle the stress of the 11.1 volt Firefox battery. And this is what happens when you charge the battery with a normal charger. It'll get fat and puffy. So don't do that. This is the special Lipolymer charger. This could cost around 30 bucks. The high cap mag was about 10 bucks. That one was about 7 bucks. Now let's get to the gun itself. That is the annoying thing of the handrail. It doesn't slide both ways. As you can see, it's quite a fine weapon. Semi, fully automatic, safe. The sights are iron sights, standard issue. The stock is made out of ABS plastic, and at the rear, fine quality rubber. The hand grip, ABS plastic. Top rail is stainless steel, and I've said hand grip is rubber. This is also ABS plastic. Hop up is positioned here. Take a look at the gun. As I was saying, the stock has various positions. The first, full extension, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Overall, this gun is light, which makes you faster and more agile in the field. That's why I love it so much, and that's why I recommend it for beginners. Sliding cocking thing, real stuff. It's just a mock cocker. Your sling points, 3 for ambidextrous users. Your selector switches, also for ambidextrous users. The mag release is positioned here. Pull that, your mag drops out. Here's another sling point. Here are the 2 pins which you can take out to remove the hand grip to get into the mech box. Give you some of the details. This gun shoots 350 FPS, upgraded to a Japanese high quality spring, 400 FPS, standard 350 of course. Rate of fire, 1,200 rounds a minute, upgraded with the 5KU motor there. Original would be about 800 rounds per minute. Overall, a splendid gun. Additional information. If you want to pick up a lipo like this, it'll probably set you back 25 bucks at most. And this 5K high torque motor will also set you back 30 bucks at max.
quest for any answers. Come back strong with 50 delegates. The world I love, the tears I drop to be part of the wave can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you?
For those of you curious and want to hear the sound of 20 rounds a second, here you go. Thank you for watching this review. Comment, rate, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just ask. Thank you. And now for those of you who like overkill. Thanks again.
Right on cue. Can't stop addicted to the shindig. Chopped off and says I'm gonna win big. Choose not a life of imitation. Distant us into the reservation. Keep off the pistol that you pay for. Just pump the feeling that you stay for. In time I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living on the west end. Knocked out before you better come to. Don't die, you know the truth is some do. Go write your message on the pavement. Burn so bright, I wonder what the wavelength. Kickstart the go and generate hub. Sweet talk but don't intimidate hub.